With spring coming in Michigan, normally the flight instructors at Michigan Seaplane, a seaplane flight school, would be splashing around the lakes near Detroit. But with the coronavirus pandemic, they're taking on a new mission.
I'm tied into the automobile industry, and we were just watching on the news a week ago yesterday, Sunday, how the medical operators, the frontline people, the nurses, the doctors were running out of these, protective plastic shields. I talked to one of my engineers at my company in Indiana, Muir6 Corporation. He said, give me a couple hours, let me see what I can come up with. We had a prototype made up. We shot that off to local hospitals here in Michigan. Sunday afternoon, they said how many and how fast.
The question of how fast, that's where the GA airplanes come in. After the first batch of face shields were ready, volunteer pilots Nick Hall and Mike Mato jumped in a borrowed Cessna 206 to deliver them.
Nick and I were able to fly down to Muncie, Indiana, and load up 20 boxes, so 6,000 masks, and flying back up here to the Metro Detroit area, and we were able to distribute them to hospitals. I think the drive from here to Muncie is 4 or 5 hours, so I think it's about an hour flight down and an hour flight back, so a matter of 2 hours compared to almost a whole day, trying to get those masks to the hospitals as soon as possible.
We're helping these people that are trying to save basically our lives. They are walking into literal fire when they go, deal with a corona patient. And if this little shield can help protect them, that's what it's all about.
We have a set of skills, and when we are able to use them to help out, it's definitely a good feeling.
And since the first delivery flight, other pilots from around the area are stepping up to help.
The outpouring of pilots with their planes has been just phenomenal. They're saying, when can we go? How can we help? Where do you need these things flown to? And it's been fantastic. It really has. We will get through this. We are all in this together. We will come out stronger for it.
Josh Cochran, AOPA Live.